Welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. We're just out on a short day hike. Gonna enjoy the forest. The snow is gone. There's lots of water. But we're doing okay. We're in nature. We're enjoying the outdoors. Thanks for being here. I know I haven't been on in a long time, but life happens. So I'm glad I can be out today though. We're just gonna look around. I'm not gonna say much. Just enjoy ourselves. Nice moss on the ground. Nice to see green starting to come back. Today it's 5 degrees Celsius, which by my calculations adds up to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. We got some major rainstorms earlier in the week, but things are starting to dry up a bit. I don't have my microphone today. I guess I got too excited when I was getting ready to leave, and I forgot it. I hope you can hear some of this. If not, it'll be a silent video. I can hear birds in the distance. I'm near a swamp, so it may be ducks. Just quietly make our way towards it. I'll check something out on a tree here, I see. Some garbage on the ground. I don't like to see that. Looks like somebody had something mounted on those 2 pieces of wood on that tree. Maybe game cameras. Not sure why they would need the extra wood there, but take a look at this uprooted tree here. See how shallow the roots were? Wow. If you look down on the ground, you'll see there's a lot of roots above the ground here. It's really nice just to look around and enjoy the nice fresh air. There's a little bit of a breeze. I don't know if you can hear those ducks. It's going to get too wet for me to really investigate it much further, I see. Actually, those might be frogs. Now that I am close enough to the water to hear them better. I'm not going to say 100% for sure what it is. We'll just keep looking around. Quite relaxing in here. See how all the branches die as the tree gets bigger? The tree kind of weans itself. And the greenery stays at the top. This is good for starting fires. Those branches are usually really dry. Then you have your pine needles on the ground. Another good fuel for starting fires. There's a dead one there. Oh, I better be careful. You push it at the bottom, it swings a little bit, but when you look at the top, it swings a lot. Sometimes they sway at the top when you start pushing them, and they're flimsy up there and they break off. You gotta be careful. You can hear some of the tree squeaking. I think that's an example there where one tree knocked another tree down. try to make my way back to the main trail. Find another spot we can go into. Airplane above us making quite a bit of noise. Got to turn you sideways a bit, keep you out of the sun. Maybe we'll go in right here. Well, that was my first spider web of the season. Go under that branch. I'm hoping to get outside soon at nighttime, do some night filming. But I'm glad I could get out today. When I left, my dog was wanting to come, but I decided not to bring her. Quite neat in here. I see where a tree has recently been cut down. I'm gonna go check it out. See if I can figure out why they cut it down. I don't think that's the tree. Looks too, diameter's not right. But I could be wrong. Not sure why they cut that down. top of a bunch of trees here that came down. Must have been from snow load this winter. Yeah, I can see up there at least one place where it came down. Well, my battery's running out fast. I have another battery here on the handle, but it's a pleasant place to be. Well, it's finally nice not to see any snow in the bush. We had snow this week. But it's gone already. Might get some more this week, but I don't think it'll stay. Well, I'm going to have to sign off because the battery is warning me that it's going to be dead. Unless, of course, I can plug this handle in. I guess you're still with me. I just plugged in my handle from my GoPro. I don't think I lost you. But I accidentally hit a button that said exposure on it. And there's still like a square in the bottom right hand corner. So I think I'm going to cut this one off and maybe start another one. Thanks for being here. Thanks for coming out to just for a little pleasant walk in the forest. This is Not Much Time 33 Outdoors signing off. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless. Take care of yourself.